If you are looking for one-story living, I am excited to share with you the newest community in Dekalb County that has 4 different ranch floor plans to choose from. Welcome back to the New Construction Queen YouTube channel. In case this is your first time here, I'm Tanger, the New Construction Queen, and I am a licensed new home expert guiding you through a lot. The education, preparation, relocation, purchase, move-in, and enjoyment phases of buying a new construction home. Subscribe if you are looking from out of state and you want to have a boots on the ground agent, if you are renting in the Atlanta area and it's time for you to buy, and of course, and if you want to stay up to date with all things new construction homes in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Today you are in for a treat, especially if you have been looking for one-story living. I'm going to be giving you guys a close look at one of their 4 ranch style floor plans. This one's going to be a 4-bed, 2-bath home, a little bit over 1,700 square feet. These homes are going to be starting in the 350s for their smaller ranch floor plan, all the way up to the 380s. As I always tell you, phase 1 is the best one because, as you know, as time goes on, home prices do increase. But home buyers, when they buy new construction in the first phase, they get to benefit from the instant equity. So that's a win-win-win when you buy new construction. Right now on select lots, especially if you're looking to move in the next 30 or 60 days, they are offering a 5.5% interest rate for FHA and VA loans, 5.9% for conventional, and $7,000 to support your closing costs. If that time frame does not work for you, they are also going to be doing $15,000 for you to use to either buy down your interest rate or use it for your closing costs. I am excited to see what you think of this floor plan, and if you love it, you will absolutely love the others. As always, let me know how I can help. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned and enjoy your tour. pick of this floor plan. If you loved it, it is absolutely worth taking a look inside in person and seeing what this community is all about. I also want to let you know that if you like this floor plan, this is not the only community that has it. So if you're open to other areas and you're looking for other areas, get in touch. Way I can point you to the right community. So right now, there are a couple of homes available and they are releasing them very, very often. Whether it's now, in 3 months, or even 6 months, they're gonna have 500 homes here in this community, and I'm sure there's one with your name on it. As always, let me know how I can help. Call, text, or email for more information and we'll get you out to tour the community. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Tanger, the New Construction Queen. See you next time. Here's one more video for you to check out if you love ranch floor plans. Enjoy.